This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Hanna. With a bit of maintenance and fresh paint, this could be your dream home. Located on a large private cul-de-sac lot, this home features 6 nice-sized bedrooms, 3 full baths and 1 half bath, a newer HVAC, 2+ years, and a new water heater. The roof is approximately 10 years old. There are 2 freestanding gas fireplaces, newer appliances, 2 refrigerators, washer and dryer, freezer, and more. The backyard is partially fenced, as well as an additional fenced area off the deck. The deck is nice size and is located off the family room on the main level. Home is easy to show and has so much potential. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Hanna at 812-323